This is Meredith.
Oh, it's not a camera? Oh.
No, it is.
You're filming?
Right? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we're going to Floods. See? That's Meredith. And that's me. We stole Terrence's camera because he's working in there. Get hit by a car. Sweet. Can we get hit by a nice car? See, look, there's the car. Run, run, run across the street. She's smoking a cancer stick.
I am. I love cancer. I'm going out.
And I
I
just
just want to go out with style because I look so
And we're going into Floods. So we're going to be super secretive. Super secret because I'm not 21. Did you order it? What did you decide to order? They have those at Red Robin.
Best thing at Red Robin. Are you filming?
She's getting her change.
It's exciting. Obviously, this should be on YouTube.
Look at her change. She gets that money. Those are hoe dollars. Those are what we call hoe dollars. It's cold outside. Holy crap.
You should tip when you do carry out here because somebody had to make it and bring it up. So I always just leave money. I don't know if it's reasonable or not.
See, she's super nice. Do you hear music?
I hear chives because there's a church
Oh.
right there.
The church. And that would be my phone. Alright, we're back at Starbucks.